शाम है आँखों के आगे, ये जो शाम है आँखों के आगे, इसे महफिल कहूँ या कोई सपना। ये जो शाम है आँखों के आगे, इसे महफिल कहूँ या कोई सपना। कोई भी तो पराया लगता नहीं, हर चेहरा है जैसे अपना। ऊंचाइयों पर आ गए हैं हम, ऊंचाइयों पर आ गए हैं हम, या सितारे उतर आए हैं ज़मीन पर। फ़क्र और खुशी कैसे करें बयां, फ़क्र और खुशी कैसे करें बयां। लगता है ज़मीं पर पड़ते ही नहीं पैर, लगता है ज़मीं पर पड़ते ही नहीं पैर। आफ्टर अ डे इंटेंसली फुल ऑफ discussions and insightful networking, it's finally time to relax and celebrate our timeless bond with the art of timeless music. So please join me in celebrating the presence of this very special orchestra of IIT alumni for making our music truly making our Thank you for that electrifying evening in Paris, which will always translate to us as evening in Mumbai. And before we further electrify this stage, let me call upon Ajay Bhagwat, who has been the primary founder of this amazing orchestra. And I would like to hear from him and share the amazing history behind this team. Ajay, please.
Yeah, thank you, Shriya, and very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of the IIT Bombay Alumni Association, Pune chapter. Um, how many of you are from IIT Bombay? Wait. From IIT Bombay, who were on the campus after 1985? Oh, there's still quite a few. So you probably know about Sur Bahar, right? So Sur Bahar is something that was started in 1985, and even as of now, every year they perform Sur Bahar every year, I think in the second week of October or something. Now, the reason I'm pointing this out is you see some of the participants here who have been part of the first Sur Bahar on the campus. And I'll just talk about why we did Sur Bahar, and I'll come to why we started YPO. So in the past time, for example, we have Shirish, we have Vinod Makhijani, Manoj Patwardhan, Sandeep Tarkas. We all were on the campus, and usually we would always compete against each other rather than playing together. There was no event on the campus where we could perform with each other. So we thought about the concept of doing all hostel members from all hostels would come together and do a show called Sur Bahar. It worked out. We had an appointment. We always brag about all the things we did during our IIT days, during our student days. So one day, when Nandu Kulkarni, my co-founder, who's not here today, we were talking and we were just bragging about हम ये करते थे, वो करते थे. And I said, हिम्मत है तो अभी करके दिखाते. And that actually led to forming this group. And of course, we have great people like you have Anil, Surendra, Shirish, Nihal, all of these people came together and we are performing this. And I'm proud to say that this is our 11th year. And every year we do one show. And it's not, by the way, it takes a lot of efforts in putting a show like this together. But the whole idea was, can we foster this art form that we enjoyed so much during our younger days? And we always give excuses कि अभी time मिलता नहीं है, होता नहीं है, etc. And we just wanted to prove everybody wrong. Because I'm sure when you hear the introductions of everybody here on the stage, all of us are professionals in our own field. You know, you see people who are CEOs of companies, CTOs of companies, general managers of large companies, and so on. And we still manage to find time to do this together. You know, so but none of us are professionals in music. Well, that's the important part. But we still do it because we thoroughly enjoy this art form. So I just want you to relax and enjoy this show because we have been doing this for so many years now. And you will, I'm sure Shriya will introduce everybody in due course of time. I just want you to remember that this is something that we strongly encourage, not just the Pune chapter, but other chapters hopefully will also be doing. You know, try to put something together, and we are very happy to help in any way that we can, because I know that it takes a lot of efforts to put something like this together and sustain it for such a long time. It's not just about music, could be any other art form. Music just happens to be done that we are all very passionate about. So welcome again on behalf of IIT Bombay Alumni Association Pune chapter, and enjoy this show. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ajay. In fact, YPO has become a synonym of following passion, no matter what the age is. And we have some amazing people here about whom I'll be honored to introduce them to you as the performance goes. So first of all, I would like to introduce Ami Apte, who's the youngest star in this star-studded galaxy. She is doing her BBA from Symbiosis Pune, and she has learned Hindustani classical music from Dr. Reva Natu in Pune, and she is currently taking Thumri and Ghazal lessons from Dr. Sanjeev Shinde. And she is the daughter of Manoj Apte and Chaitali Apte, who are a part of the YPO as well. Welcome, Ami, and we are looking forward to listen to you. round of applause for the young kid. And music is literally magical that takes us back in time. And especially this song where Raj Kapoor envisioned music and cinema to elevate beyond entertainment. Thank you so much. And now I would like to...
Ami, hold on, Ami, hang on just a second. So the girl you just heard, she was like this tall when she started singing for YPO. And perform. Well done, Ami.
Thank you, Ami. Now I would like to call and who will be presenting the next song for us. He is 1997 batch, MTech in Microelectronics and Reliability Engineering from IIT Bombay. And he is heading the development at Persistent Systems in Pune.
Thank you.
Please give a round of applause for these performers who are making our evening really special. Welcome, Manoj.
ज़माना उसी का, मोहब्बत में जो गया हो किसी का, है दुनिया उसी की, ज़माना उसी का, मोहब्बत में जो गया हो किसी का। लुटा जो मुसाफिर दिल के सफर में, है जन्नत ये दुनिया उसकी नजर में। लुटा जो मुसाफिर दिल के सफर में, है जन्नत ये दुनिया उसकी नजर में। उसी ने है लूटा मजा जिंदगी का, मोहब्बत में जो गया हो किसी का। सजदे के काबिल हर वो दीवाना कि जो बन गया हो तस्वीर जाना। है सजदे के काबिल हर वो दीवाना कि जो बन गया हो तस्वीर उसी की, ज़माना उसी का, मोहब्बत में जो हो गया हो किसी का। Thank you, sir.
This song was absolutely soul stirring, and the one vital instrument that we saw playing by Anil Karmarkar on saxophone. Please give a huge round of applause for this amazing performance. And Anil, he's from 1974 batch of metallurgy. When he was Tata Motors, he used to play flute, but at the age of 55, he took up saxophone, and like it's truly inspirational. Now I would like to introduce Ashish Bedagli, who's from the batch of 92 BTech, Hostel 6. He learned music from Shri Vikas Gadre, and he later learned from Pimpadkare Buva and Vidushi Padma Talwarkar. He's into software research, and he helps people realize their dreams through custom software creation. Welcome, Ashish.
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें, भर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें, भर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए, नजर न आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कहीं तो ये दिल कहीं मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे हो गए मेरे कैसे सपने सुनहरे। दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे हो गए कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे। ये मेरे सपने यही तो है अपने मुझसे जुदा ना होंगे इनके साए, इनके साए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए।
Thank you so much, Ashish. I'm sure everyone's feet are tapping here, hands are clapping, and hearts are racing. Literally a timeless classic. Kahin dur jab din dhal jaye, and especially for this particular time of the day, it's absolutely a perfect fit. Another timeless hit for this occasion.
हेलो हेलो
Hello, hello.
समा है प्यार का किसी के इंतजार का दिल नाच रहा मेरा
अचला, आपकी सुरीली आवाज़ ने ज़रूर हमारा दिल चुरा लिया है. How many of you agree for this? Now I would like to introduce some more stars from the stage. On the guitar we have Jaydeep Devdar. Jaydeep is from 1994, BTech Chemical Engineering, Hostel 9. He's running his own company and he's a regular trekker and marathon runner. And Nihal Suptankar, he's also on the keyboard and he's mechanical engineering MTech from 2014. He manages a team of EV connectors at Eton. He's officially completed Visharad in tabla, but he plays keyboard for the YPO. And Shirish, again on the keyboard. His nickname is Shirish Patwardhan, also fondly called as Patya from the college days. And mostly he has self-learned. He is a co-founder and CTO of KPIT Technologies, Pune. It's a software company and it's the largest automotive software company from India. And for Achla, she has done her MSc Chemistry in 1987 and PhD in 1992. She learned in college days from Pandit KG Ginde and currently Sagota Chakrabarti. She has been a former managing director at Clariant, which is a Swiss specialty chemical company. Now she's having multiple roles in industry, academia and volunteering. Give it a huge round of applause for our wonderful stars and performers.
So I want to step in again. Shirish is not fondly called as Patya, he's only called as Patya. Okay, so just so that, I'm sure his hostelites will agree. But I want to get Nihal, come here for a second. I told you earlier that YPO was kind of founded by me and Nandu. Now Nandu is 10 years senior to me, so he did his job very well. When he founded the orchestra, he said, "मैं सिर्फ गाऊंगा, बाकी सब आप देखो." And then all the organization trying to get these IITians to do one thing, you know how that is. So I learned the trick and finally I found Nihal, and of course we also had Deepak and Jaydeep who also. Nihal, that you are now owner of this show. That was a simple thing to say कि boss तेरे को काम करने का है, and he's doing a great job. He's the one who managed to get all these people together. So hats off to him, and also he's been playing keyboard so well. And Patya, as we called it, he was part of our original Sur Bahar. So when we talked about doing YPO, I said, Patya aayega to karenge, and I'm so glad he's here. So he kind of holds the whole group together in terms, because there's a lot of work that these two guys have to do on the keyboards, so, and they're always in the backside, but have to acknowledge the work and hard work that these guys put in. Thank you very much, and thanks for doing the Ghodagiri. I didn't want to say this earlier, but that's what you have to do.
I invite Sandeep Tarkas. He is a Distinguished Service Awardee and ex-CEO of a Kabaddi and Kho-Kho franchisee. Sandeep Tarkas.
रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना। रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना। भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना। भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रात नशीली मस्त समा है, आज नशे में सारा जहां है। रात नशीली मस्त समा है, आज नशे में सारा जहां है। आए शराबी मौसम बहकाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। आंखों से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे। आंखों में आंखें मिलती है ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे। मौज कोई साहिल से टकराए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रोक रहा है हमको ज़माना, दूर ही रहना, पास न आना। रोक रहा है हमको ज़माना, दूर ही रहना, पास न आना। कैसे मगर कोई दिल को समझाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Sandeep. Now I would like to invite Ajay Bhagwat, who's been the powerhouse behind Y Point Orchestra. He's from the batch of 85 EE, Hostel 3. He's a founder and CEO of Renu Electronics. He's a DSA awardee and founder of Y Point Orchestra, and he is also the president of TAI Pune. Please give a Ajay Bhagwat, who has brought this entire event before us. Thank you so much, Ajay. Looking at this band, I am remembering few lines. जिसकी मस्ती जिंदा है, उसकी हस्ती जिंदा है। जिसकी मस्ती जिंदा है, उसकी हस्ती जिंदा है, वरना वो जबरदस्ती जिंदा है। वरना वो जबरदस्ती जिंदा है। Feel free to sing along and hum to the tunes of these iconic Bollywood hits. The evening is all about celebrating this.
That was not part of the song. So. मेरी नजर में तो सिर्फ तुम हो, कुछ और मुझको पता नहीं है। तुम्हारी महफिल से उठ रहा हूँ, मगर कहीं रास्ता नहीं है। सर से कदम तक सिर्फ प्यार हूँ मैं, गले से लगा लो के तुम्हारा बेकरार हूँ मैं। तुम क्या जानो के भटकता फिरा किस किस गली, अब है सनम हर मौसम प्यार के काबिल, पड़ी जहाँ छाँव हमारी सज गई महफिल। महफिल क्या तन्हाई में भी लगता है Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manoj. The star of this performance, I feel, was Mandolin. So give a huge round of applause to the entire team, along with Rajiv. Because of Mandolin, he is fondly called as Mandy. So you can also call him Mandy now on. So he has done his BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Hostel 3 in IIT Bombay. And he has been a recipient of citation from IIT Bombay Students Gymkhana for his contribution in the field of music, both within the campus and through external representation.
So,
I'll just add something. So Mandy was my senior in Hostel 3, and we did the first EP together. And we learned, I mean, in my case, I learned a lot of stage performances, how to do it, etc. from Mandy. And we obviously called him Mandy because he played the mandolin. Anil regrets that nobody knew he played the saxophone, otherwise we would have called him something that I don't want to say.
दादा थोडासा ना मला रिवर्ब द्या आणि मॉनिटरला थोडंसं हे द्या.
The next song is like a party song, so feel free and shake a leg here. That was truly an electrifying performance, and look at the energy in the room. I'm sure some people are really missing this fun. Once more. One more. There are a few more to go. Thank you so much.
ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली, आओ ना तरसाओ ना, आओ ना तरसाओ ना, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली, ओ मेरी तेरा काजल लेकर रात बनी, रात बनी, तेरी मेहंदी लेकर दिन उगा, दिन उगा, तेरी बोली सुनकर सुर जगे, सुर जगे, तेरी खुशबू लेकर फूल खिला, फूल खिला, जान मन तू है कहाँ, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली। तेरी राहों से गुजरे जब से हम, जब से हम, मुझे मेरी डगर तक याद नहीं, याद नहीं, दिलरुबा, दिलरुबा, मुझे मेरा घर तक याद नहीं, याद नहीं, जान मन तू है कहाँ, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मिली। तेरी लाज का घूंघट खोल दूं तेरे आंचल पर कोई गीत लिखूं तेरे होठ में अमृत आओ ना तरसाओ ना ओ मेरी शर्मिली ओ मेरी शर्मिली थैंक यू
Thank you so much, Sandeep. All these amazing renditions are definitely हमें बहुत कुछ याद आ रहा है अपने बहुत सारे कॉलेज के दिन, and these are the music pieces which have always made us laugh, sing, dance, and sometimes also cry. So I would also like to introduce now Surendra Gadgil, who is with us on Congo, bongo, hand sonic, and drums. So he has been a student of BTech in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Madras from 1976 batch. He has been a governor's medalist for best outgoing student for curricular and extracurricular activities. He has worked with Tata Motors Commercial Vehicle Division, retired in 2014 as a GM of CKD operations for all plants of Tata Motors. And he has been associated with YPO for last 11 years.
So, hello. I just want to add again that sometimes, rhythm is perhaps one of the most important thing in a particular song, and Surendra has been an anchor. But not just that, he is our go-to person when we are in doubt about how to play something, because he is the one who's like an encyclopedia of all the songs that we play here. So every time we have a question, we say, Surendra, kaise bajane ka hai? And Anil aptly calls him master, right? And you should actually watch him play the bongo, and it's a very difficult instrument to play, and his bongo actually talks and sings. Just watch him play bongo sometime.
Now I would like to invite Ashish for our next performance on कई बार यूं ही देखा है.
कई बार यूं ही देखा है ये जो मन किसी रेखा है मन तोड़ने लगता है अनजानी प्यास के पीछे मन तोड़ने लगता है राहों में जीवन की राहों में जो खिले फूल मुस्कुरा के कौन सा फूल चुरा के रखूं जानू ना उलझन ये जानू ना सुलझा कुछ कैसे समझ न पाऊं किसको नीत बनाऊं किसकी प्रीत भुलाऊं कई बार यूं ही देखा है ये जो मन किसी मरेगा है मन तोड़ने लगता है अनजानी प्यास के पीछे अनजानी आस के पीछे मन दौड़ने लगता है।
जैसा कि वो कहते हैं कि तारीफ़ खुद की करना फिजूल है, तारीफ़ खुद की करना फिजूल है, खुशबू अपने आप बता देती है, खुशबू अपने आप बता देती है कि सामने कौन सा फूल है। बिल्कुल ऐसे ही इन कलाकारों का जो हुनर है, इसकी खुशबू और आज की यादें हमारे साथ बहुत लंबे समय तक बनी रहेंगी। बिफोर द नेक्स्ट डुएट सॉन्ग which is by Chaitali and Manoj, I would like to introduce Chaitali Apte. So she has a very interesting role. She is a speech language pathologist, having done her bachelor's from Nair Hospital and MS from Chicago. She is practicing in Pune with Jupiter Hospital and Trinity Clinic. Give it up for the star on our stage and Chaitali. Inviting you for the next song. Manoj and Chaitali.
सलाम इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल
मसीहा मोहब्बत के मारों का है, मसीहा मसीहा मोहब्बत के मारों का है, तू मसीह मोहब्बत के मारों का है। हम तेरा नाम सुन के चले आए हैं, अब दबा दे हमें या तू दे दे जहर, तेरी महफिल में ये दिल चले आए हैं, एक एहसान कर, अपने मेहमान पर एक एहसान कर, अपने मेहमान पर दे दुआएं।
सलामे इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो, तुम हमसे प्यार करने की जरा सी भूल कर लो। मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए, मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए। सलामे इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो। थैंक यू।
Absolutely amazing, and I'm sure that everybody is re-energized with this duet performance by Chaitali and Manoj.
Yeah, we'll do one.
In the meantime, I would love to introduce Deepak Thite on tabla. He's learning tabla from last 35 years, and he has taken lessons from Nana Mule for 10 years. Currently taking lessons from Sanjay Karandikar. He had also received Chapter Service Award from IIT Bombay Alumni Association in 2023. He is working as a president of Rotary Club of Pune, Karve Nagar from many years. Deepak Thite.
मैं सुनाऊं तुम्हें बातें एक रात की, मैं सुनाऊं तुम्हें बातें एक रात की। चांद में अपनी पूरी जवानी पे था, दिल में तूफान था, एक अरमान था, दिल का तूफान अपनी रवानी पे था। एक बादल उधर से चला झूम के, एक बादल उधर से चला झूम के। देखते देखते चांद पर छा गया, चांद भी खो गया उसकी आगोश में। उसे क्या हो गया जोश ही जोश में। मेरा दिल धड़का, मेरा दिल तड़पा किसी की नजर के लिए, मेरा दिल धड़का किसी की नजर के लिए। सलामे इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो, तुम हमसे प्यार करने की जरा सी भूल कर लो। मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए, मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए। सलामे इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो। थैंक यू।
These memorable evenings are like we keep longing for more and more of them, and they remind us of love, relationships, and their special bonds to cherish forever. every song is better than the other, and it's a whole bouquet of timeless classics. For some of the next songs, feel free to be here and dance as requested by some of our super enthusiastic alums.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर,
अच्छा,
सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे ज़बान पर,
अच्छा,
सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
दो बदन एक दिल एक जान हो गए, मंजिलें एक हुई हम सफर बन गए। दो बदन एक दिल एक जान हो गए, मंजिलें एक हुई हम सफर बन गए। मंजिलें एक हुई हम सफर बन गए।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर,
अच्छा,
सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
Thank you.
बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम तू तेरे तू हे दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या हम सबकी परवाह करें क्यों सबने हमारा किया क्यों दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या हम सबकी परवाह करें क्यों सबने हमारा किया क्या दम मारो दम मिट जाएगा बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम धारो तारो दूरी रीरा धारो तारो दूरी रीरा I love you. Can't you see that I really do? Oh, please give me another little chance. Ha! Dim dim duba, dim daba duba, dim daba duba duba, daba diba, dim daba duba, dim daba duba, daba daba diba da. खुशी का जब तक अरे आओ कश पे कश लगाते जाओ हे गलियों में घूमो सड़कों पे झूमो दुनिया की खूब करो सैर गलियों में घूमो सड़कों पे झूमो दुनिया की खूब करो सैर हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे कृष्णा हरे रामा हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा Oh I love you oh my baby I really do oh please give me another little chance ha dim dim duba dim daba duba dim daba duba duba dim daba diba dim daba duba dim daba duba daba daba duba de ha जब तक अरे आओ कश पे कश लगाते जाओ गोरे हो या काले अपने ही सारे दुनिया में कोई नहीं है गोरे हो या काले अपने ही सारे दुनिया में कोई नहीं है हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा everybody हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे रामा हरे रामा 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 हरे कृष्णा हरे Can we make it a little faster, man? Hare Rama, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare 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 Rama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What a spectacular way to end this amazing night. A great thanks to our incredible performers and of course the attendees and our wonderful alumni. On a popular demand, we are just going to have the last performance of the evening on saxophone especially. Ending the night with a
This is for with popular demand. Our boss Advait Kurlekar said that there has to be one more saxophone song. So we thought we'll take it. Normally we would have ended on a high note here. So for the very last song, please give them a very, very huge round of applause. The last grand finale of this evening. So we are all IITians here, but today we were short of some help. So Mukesh, I mean, he's one of the most sought after guitarists in Pune. Okay, and I'm so glad. I mean, this is a moment of pride for all of us that Mukesh and also Ruturaj He is playing the rhythm. They're both very, very sought after artists in Pune. We find a sense of pride that they felt worthy of playing with us. Of course, I keep telling them that maybe they learned something from us, eventually. So, but thank you very much for being here, sir. I appreciate it. He's learning engineering, he says. So thank you. We kind of normally ended at Dam Auro Dam, but with Advait ordering us to play one more, so we did that. But thank you very much for being here. Again, yes, thank you, appreciate it. So
Thank you so much, Y Point Orchestra.
this is the Y Point Orchestra. So guys, this
Standing ovation for these amazing, incredible performers.
singers.
They literally tell us that we can do anything. निगाहों में मंजिल थी, गिरे और गिरकर संभलते रहे. निगाहों में मंजिल थी, गिरे और गिरकर संभलते रहे. हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की, मगर चिराग आंधियों में भी जलते रहे. Thank you for staying with us tonight.
Guys, 1 minute. Just to give you the background, okay, some years back, way back in 1991, when we were in the campus as students, we resurrected Sur Bahar. And Sur Bahar was the Bollywood music get-together. Ashish was part of that. And we had fantastic singers in those times, okay? There was one guy called Anshuman Patwardhan. He was called Popat. You can see what he sings. He's brilliant. Then there's another guy called Puneet Joshi, who was known as Mao. Mao has a band now called Dvi. So if you do a band called Dvi in YouTube, you can figure out what Mao was. He got a degree in EE, but I think his biggest achievement in IIT was Kishore Kumar, guitar. Okay? And of course, he's part of the UIDA and all that program, but he also was one of the pioneers of singing in IIT Bombay. And fortunately, I'm an H6 guy. All the best singers are from H6. H6.
That's debatable. Good evening. We've heard Y Point Orchestra from Pune. We've given them a standing ovation. Let's not forget the compeer, my friend, colleague, Shreya Agarwal, PhD from IIT Bombay 2017. And she's on the board of IIT Bombay Alumni Association. So thank you, Shreya, for the wonderful compeering. And on behalf of Pan IIT, on behalf of IIT Bombay Alumni Association, and on behalf of IIT Bombay Alumni Association Pune chapter, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, good evening, and hope to see you again 9:30 tomorrow for final day of Pivot 2025. Thank you.
सितारों को आंखों में महफूज रख लो, बहुत दूर तक रात ही रात होगी. मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात होगी, कल ही आपसे मुलाकात होगी. गुड नाइट एवरीवन, कीप ट्यूनिंग टू द रिदम ऑफ लाइफ.